Hello friend, this is 688 model number. I will tell you some important features for you. And this is the circuit board of main unity. Okay, you will find some jump settings on 5 jump settings. They are very important for your function setting or parameter setting. Okay, now this is side door trigger signal. Default signal is negative. You want to change to positive, you only take out and insert this. You will change the signal. And this is for siren output signal jump setting. The negative is the standard output. Your car is alarm siren, it will be positive. You only change the jump setting, take out and insert this. Very easy. And then you will find there's another jump setting. This start 1 and start 2. The output, standard output is negative output. Your car is positive. Start cable, start signal. You will change, take out and insert the next 2 pins. And this one, you can change this one, and this one you can change it. And then this brake, the output, standard output signal is positive. Your car is negative. You will change the jump setting. You can change it. So it's very easy. And your smart key is lost or is broken. You want to learn the new smart key. You only press this button to learn smart key. Press any button of smart key, it will be programmed fastly. It's very easy.